Good morning everyone. Today in Maths, let's continue with our chapter, The World of Shapes. So in the last class, we learned about plane shapes. Today we are going to learn about solid shapes. So what are solid shapes? Solid shapes are those shapes which have three dimensions. That is, they are having length, breadth and height. So the shapes which are having length, breadth and height are called solid shapes. And the solid shape has faces, edges and corners. So today we are going to learn about this. Some of the solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. So let's learn about each of this. The first thing is a cube. So here in this picture you can see a cube. A cube has face, edges and corners. So in the last class when we learnt about plane shapes, we learnt about the sides and corners. For 3D shapes, for solid shapes, we will be having the faces also. So in a cube, you can see here that this is a face. 1, 2, 3, 4. The back side you are not able to see in the picture because it is a 3D picture. But for a cube, we have 6 faces. And what is an edge or a side? Where 2 lines meet. So a cube is having 12 edges and 8 corners. So we can say that a cube has 6 flat faces. Here in a cube you can see that there is no curved face. So we can say that the cube is having flat face, 6 flat faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Rubik's cube and dice are examples for cube. Next, let's move on to cuboid. So this is a picture of a cuboid, and cuboid is also having face, vertex and edge. Vertex also means the corners. So here you can see that there are 6 faces for the cuboid, 12 edges and 8 corners. So we can say that a cuboid has 6 flat faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Matchbox, your pencil box are all examples for cuboid shape. Next, let's learn about a cylinder. You can imagine your pencil which is not sharpened. What is its shape? It is in a cylinder shape. So for a cylinder, you can see that there are curved faces. This is the flat face and this is the curved shape. So we can say that a cylinder has 2 flat faces, 1 curved face and 2 edges. Edges means where 2 faces meet. So in a cylinder we have 2 edges. Once again, cylinder has 2 flat faces, 1 curved face and 2 edges. Battery, candle are examples for cylinder shape. Next we have the sphere. For sphere you can see it's a round shape, so it doesn't have any flat face. Sphere has 1 curved face, no edge and no corners. Next let's learn about a cone. A cone has 1 flat face, that is at the bottom, 1 flat face, 1 curved face and 1 at the top, that is the corner. So here you can see that a cone has 1 flat face, 1 curved face, 1 edge and 1 corner. Ice cream cone, birthday cap are examples for cone shape. So hope you understood the solid shapes. Let's move on to exercises, page number 144. Here you can see, write the number of faces, edges and corners for the following solid shapes. So you can see cylinder, cube, sphere and cone are given. So write down the faces, edges and corners of these shapes. Next we have my project. Kumar went to an exhibition called Best Out of Waste. There he saw some items made with waste materials. Observe the pictures and write the names of the shape. So here you can see some shapes are given. So observe and write what all shapes are that. Create two objects out of the waste materials and give names of their shapes. So you can also create objects out of waste materials and find out what shape it is. So with this, we finish today's topic. We'll be meeting in the next class. Till then, thank you.